How are you guys? Today I brought the Dialog router. It is a prepaid router. It's cost about 3000 LKR. Okay, let's unbox this router. Wow, look at this. Look at this quality. And this is the power adapter. These are the two antennas of this router. And this is a cable. It can connect to your PC or laptop. This is the SIM card. This is the main part of this router. This is a power button and signal. These are signal. You can attach these two antennas from like this and attach each antenna like this. LAN cable can connect from this port. Look at how easy. This is the power button, and the power adapter can connect to this port. And here there is a USB port, and this is the VPS button, Wi-Fi button. You can see the SIM card of this router. You can buy any data package for this prepaid router and get unlimited data for your activities. See you again with another unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video.